Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to convert decimals into percentages. So in order to convert a decimal into a percentage, all we need to do is multiply the decimal by 100 or move it 2 decimal places to the right. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples. So let's start off with 0.12. So in order to convert this into a percentage, we just need to move this decimal point 2 places to the right. So this just becomes 12%. And then let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we have 0.5673. So we want to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So we get 56.73%. And then here we have 0.835. So again, let's go ahead and move this decimal point 2 places to the right. So this gives us 83.5%. And then here we have 0.90, so let's go ahead and move this decimal point 2 places to the right, and we get 90%. So that is how you convert decimals into percentages. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.